In this lesson, we will be learning our next new chord, which is called B minor. To play the chord B minor, we place our third finger in the fourth fret on the fourth string, which is the G string. Then we place our second finger in the third fret on the fifth string, which is the B string. And finally, we place our first finger in the second fret on the sixth string, which is the high E string. Now we will learn which strings to strum when playing the chord B minor. When playing the chord B minor, try not to strum the first and second strings, which are the E and A strings. So the only strings you should strum are the bottom four strings, which are D, G, B, and high E. So let's try to play the chord B minor together 4 times using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B